Hello viewers, dear, welcome to the Friday Friendly Kitchen. I'm Murphy, your host, and here is we are going to make sambar, as you see here how this has been made. So let's go into the video and without any delay. This is the ingredients that I'm going to use to make sambar, and I'll start off with the dal, and this is Mong dal, which is soaked. Doesn't matter how long, even it can be overnight or few hours, and it's a half a cup, and I'm going to pour into the pressure cooker, and followed by some I've taken 2 green chilies chopped roughly. These are curry leaves. I couldn't get a fresh one, so I'm only using whatever I had. This is curry leaves of 2 sprigs, and at this point I'm going to add some Jeera or cumin seeds, approximately about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, and just a few, like about 2 or 3 cardamom pods, maybe another one more. And I'm going to add some oil. This is sesame oil, approximately about 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to add some hing. It's approximately about 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to I have 4 cloves of garlic which I've chopped and pound, and I'm going to add them into that completely. And I have quarter onions chopped, and I'm going to add them, and half a teaspoon of salt. Salt is according to your taste, and I'll be adding some water into it, just enough for the dal to be cooked, approximately that amount. And now we shall close the cover, and it has to be done in a very safe way. This is my version. You may have your own version, so if you know how to use it, so you don't have to worry. If somebody is not familiar, this is the way that you cover. Make sure that everything is closed up, and we put on the weight or the whistle on top. That's it. And now we shall boil it, and we'll come back later. Hello viewers, now the dal is already been cooked, like I've already cooked in the pressure cooker. Let's see how it turns out. So first of all, remove the weight, and the steam has already released, so it's already loosened. Smells good. Perfectly cooked. And we shall continue the next process. We shall start by turning off the heat to a medium high and pour approximately about 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of mustard seed. At this point, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, and 1 tablespoon of urad dal, at this point I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 3 broken dried chilies. And straight away I'm going to add the onions. And I shall add some salt and mix it up. I added some water to make the process faster. As the onions become translucent, we add the tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. I added here Roma tomatoes. Going to add a little bit more water. And I'll cover it up for it to cook about few minutes. The tomato is cooked now, and I'm going to add the spice powders. 2 teaspoons of meat curry powder, 1 generous heap of red chili powder, and give a quick stir. And at this point I'll add some water. And I shall add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and a mix. At this point, I will add the tamarind juice. Please click the link to see how to make the tamarind juice or extract. It's about 1 cup. We'll give a quick stir and we'll wait until it comes to a boil. I also would like to add half a teaspoon of hing, quarter teaspoon to half a teaspoon. We'll bring it to boil about 10 minutes. Dear viewers, so it is about 10 minutes now, and also in between when it's boiling, so make sure just stir it in between. I just wanted to let you know I missed out. At this point I'll add the cooked dal that we had in our pressure cooker. I'm going to transfer them into this. As the dal is a little thick, so I'm going to add about half a cup of water. And bring it to a boil. I'll cover this at this moment. Dear viewers, it has already come to a boil, so it's almost done. It's just that I'm going to add a few more ingredients and before we end it. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar just to mix the flavors, to balance it well. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of ghee or unsalted butter. And mix it up. And finally, a handful of chopped cilantro. And we turn off the stove and give a quick mix. It's done. Here's the quick sambar without vegetables. Usually there are some vegetables in it, and I will show you in the next videos when I make another type of sambar. So this is the end product of the sambar, of my homemade sambar, which has no vegetables, just the dal and so on. And this video I dedicate upon a request by a person called Mr. Name This is, dear viewers, and this is my homemade sambar that goes with idli, dosa, rice, chapatis, puris, or any other dishes. And this video I dedicate to Mr. Jerson Nazareth, who made a request upon to make this video. And here you go, Jerson. Enjoy it and try it out in your home. Thank you. Thank you. Please like my channel and also this video, and also subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a good day. See you in my next video.